I do apologise if the audio isn't great. I'll tell you what, let's just bring it a little bit closer. Yeah. I know what you're going to say. Isn't that a wireless microphone? Shouldn't the audio be great if it's close to your gob? Well, yes. Generally speaking, the audio is okay-ish because I use a wireless microphone. And this one was by Holland Lark, and it's the Lark M1 Duo, which is basically you have two microphones if you want, use two. And also you've got your little receiver, which is here. Let me show you. There you go, it's the little receiver. And as you see, little blue light is on there. Little blue light is on there, okay? And if I grab the second microphone, it should connect. Should do. There you go. It's connecting. Two blue lights there as well. So, you assume that this microphone's working, but it's not. Unfortunately, this microphone has stopped working. Hence, I'm just using the microphone on the actual camera itself. So the audio ain't likely to be that brilliant, is it? No, it's going to echo in here because the microphone isn't that close to the gob. Now, I normally use two microphones if I'm doing a video for the channel with the missus now. You know, if we're doing live streams and stuff, it just makes perfect sense because you can walk about, you see, because you've got the wireless microphone. You know, it's what you do, isn't it? You know, if you're doing woodwork, what have you, you're not staying in one space necessarily all the time. But unfortunately, it stopped working. So I contacted Holland Lark yesterday for their support on there. And I'm about a week out of the 12-month guarantee, which is really, really annoying. A week. Literally a week. And they still, and because of that, they won't honour the guarantee. Now, okay, you could argue that's policy and stuff like that. And they're talking about repair, needs to be sent back for repair, but they want me to jump through flipping hoops. It's faulty, alright? It's broken, it's clearly broken, and I expect something like this to last a bit more than 12 months. I haven't abused it or anything like that, I haven't chucked it about, I've been really careful with it. I clean it as well, I even clean the bottom of the flipping case. There's one other problem with these, these fit in with magnets, right? They stay in with magnets. Because of that, any iron filings that you might have anywhere at all, even just in the house, I know, brother pads, or even metal, will stick in there, and either these won't go down properly and charge, or it'll short. Well, I haven't had that problem, to be fair, but, you know, it's just annoying. Really annoying. And although I will go through the process, if they expect me to flip and pay for these, I'm going to slate the flipping things. Because at the end of the day, 12 months and 1 week, I know it's out of guarantee, but it's time, you'd think they'd honour it. Especially considering I've got videos on this channel that got over 5 million views. They've got another one on the channel that's got like 4.6 million views. Come on! Sort yourself out! Otherwise, you're going to be getting a hell of a lot of flipping backslash from me if you don't. Holland Lark. Just send me a new one. Alright? And all's good. And I'll say how great you are. Blind me. Anyway, have you had issues with technology and stuff you use in the workshop and stuff? But they won't honour the guarantee, even though, yeah, it's pretty close to the 12 months. I think there's a bit of a bummer to myself, personally. Things like this, electronic goods, I expect them to last at least 24 months, if not longer. It's just stupid. I think it looks bad on them, personally. Toodaloo. You tell me. Leave in the comments down below.